Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will explain how to change the pre-move setting in the chess.com app. Pre-moves allow you to make a move in advance, speeding up your live games. I'll guide you step by step on how to adjust this feature easily. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now, choose Live Games to access Live Play settings. Then, tap on Pre-Move to see your options. Finally, select between Multiple, Single, or Disable to customize how pre-moves work for you. Your choice will be saved and used in your future live matches. That's how you change pre-move settings in chess.com. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips on improving your chess experience.